Happy Friday, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. I am your friendly neighborhood PM here to give you your top 3 market points of the week. And we're going to change it up this week. I'm a little bit tired of talking about tariffs and the ongoing trade war, so we're going to focus back in on earnings season. So, without further ado, let's dive into your top 3 names of the week. It's kicking us off at number 3, less of a singular name and more of an industry itself, and we're talking about airlines. So, we have seen numerous airlines go ahead and pull back their forward-looking guidance and suspend it going into 2025. And we're talking about names like Delta, American, Southwest, all suspending their forward-looking guidance. And the reason for that is because there is so much uncertainty on the macroeconomic landscape due to the ongoing tariff and trade policy that the companies cannot accurately forecast their CapEx spending or their demand figures going into the rest of the year. All that they can really tell us is that demand for travel has really started to take a hit as a result of this new policy. At name number 2, you might have guessed it, it's Tesla this week, rallying very hard over the last couple of days. Now, Tesla did come off one of its worst quarters in company history, missing on revenue, earnings, seeing deliveries plummet, and also being right at the nexus of increased costs as a result of their imports going up due to, you might have guessed it, tariffs and the trade policy. Now, you're probably wondering why the company is rallying so hard despite all of this news. Well, it did come out that CEO Elon Musk has said that he's going to take a new refocused approach back on the company and spend less of his time in his new government role with Doge. And that is expected to come around mid-May at some point from what we're reading. However, that's really where the rally has come from, is the hope that their leader comes back and kind of retools the company back into profitability. And then finally, point number 1, it was Google coming out with a very strong earnings report, beating on revenue, earnings, seeing sustained growth in their cloud computing segment, and really starting to kind of buck the trend of some of these other companies that have really taken a hit as a result of this trade policy. Now, this is going to raise a very high bar for other digital media advertisers like Meta or Amazon that report next week, but we are seeing Google rally as a result of that here today. Now, that does it for your top 3 names this week. What are we looking to for next week? Well, next week, you're going to guess it's all earnings yet again, but this time it's going to be primarily Mag 7 focus. We're talking about names like Microsoft, Apple, Meta, Amazon, all reporting next week. So it's going to be a big market-moving week following these earnings reports. But that pretty much does it for this week. As always, please dig into the written recommended review if you have additional questions, or reach out to your financial advisor. And if you do not have a financial advisor and you'd like to get connected with one, please follow our link below. But as always, please go out, enjoy your weekend, and we will see you the same time next week. Until then, thanks again.